Dang! You got us the hookup, bruh? Bangs. Just gotta start off the day with the bangs. They keep you energized on the track and off the track. Now. Ready? Ah. 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 I fucking wrecked. Yeah, I'm good, bud.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah, it got.
Huh? Well, I saw the bike go over.
Oh man, it cased the top in. Just scared the shit out of me and knocked my breath out.
Okay.
Oh, well, I got it on video, trust me. I just hope my bike's alright. It's all fun and games till you fall over.
Oh, yeah. Well, I've ridden these things for a long damn time.
Oh man, I'm just happy I'm alright with no
Well, I am too. Like I said, I saw the bike go over. I seen the wheels from up there, and I thought, that thing can't be good. That thing right there is dangerous if you don't know what you're doing.
Yes, sir.
Even I won't do it.
Yeah. Well, it's one of them deals you gotta stop and take a breather and thank God that you're alright.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I thought I'd come out here and just make sure there wasn't something wrong.
Yes, sir. Yeah, it's dangerous.
Well, it's not, I learned a long time ago, it's not if you get hurt, it's when and how bad. You will get hurt if you ride these things long enough.
Yeah.
Okay, well, if you're good.
Yes, sir. That back jump or something, I try going up that step up, it just did turn out great. I don't even know where anyone was. Casey, What do you think of that step up? Where were you?
I was so far away. I didn't even see you. I just thought you stopped to talk to me because you wanted me to video you. I couldn't even find you anywhere. You just ditched. Like you wanted me to video you, but I couldn't see you anywhere. And then you just like stopped, and I was like, oh, he's over there. And I was like, why did he stop? And I was like, maybe he crashed. And then you crashed. So like, and then that dude came up, and I was like, got humbled. Somebody had to humble you.
Oh my
You're
gosh.
Feeling yourself too much.
I was in the zone, and then it just like, I felt great, and then I was like, just going up that step up, and I was like, I don't remember going in the air, but I don't know.
He's a rookie.
I'm sore like there's no tomorrow, but we're still alive. We're still going to ride. We're not going to hit any big jumps anytime soon.
It wasn't even that big.
It was pretty big.
For you, I guess.
Shit.
I could have jumped it.
Yeah, I like to see you jump that.
I could have jumped it.
She could have
I'm
jumped
a
it.
beast.
You never been on a dirt bike?
Mm-hmm.
No, you haven't. What, your boyfriend's 110?
Don't you dare say that.
I'll see y'all. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.